Hi, so today I'm going to be replacing my rear left tail light with the DEPO sort of replica. So this is the light that you get. I've ordered mine from Euro Car Parts. It feels a fair bit lighter than the actual stock one, but it doesn't look too bad. Still all LEDs. This is the box it comes in, like the size of a shoebox. But yeah, gonna fit it up and let's see what it's like. So to take the current one out, you've got 3 screws on the back. So you take the take your light out first. That's going to be up here. Just pops off. You've got a screw here, they're easy, you'll see them straight away. And then you've got to pull the liner back to get to the 3rd screw over there. So the last one will be here. It's quite hard to get to, but you can just move that out of the way, force it, and then the light will come out. You've got to, I'd put it out first, and then you can get to this cable here that's plugged in the back. So you've got 2 bits on each side, squeeze these in and it'll come out. So this is the OEM light. And they've got problems with moisture in the left ones, like it's a really common thing. So bought this one to replace it with. Let's have a look. So from the back it's a bit different. Some of it's a bit more exposed, but that's all going to be inside the car, so it should be okay. You've got to take this black bit of trim off the old one, so it just kind of disconnects from each thing one by one, and then put it on the new one. And then it's now time to slot the new one in, so I'll put it in and then come back when I've screwed it up. Okay, so the new light is put in place. I've got a brick on the brake pedal, so you can see it works. It's actually a little bit brighter than the original one on the right, which is good to see. Yeah, the pattern looks fine. Wouldn't really be able to tell any difference. And then let's just check the fitment when I close the boot. So I haven't screwed it up yet, I haven't tightened it yet, but yeah, it follows the line pretty much as well as that, I'd say. Still sticking out a bit because it's not been tightened, but yeah, that's, considering you're paying half the price, I'd say that's okay. So a final fitment check, and it looks pretty good. This is it all tightened up in place. Solid, no movement. Need to replace these now. So that's the original one. Might have been replaced at some point in the past, because that looks pretty perfect actually. It's pretty clean too. But yeah, it looks good. I don't think it will last as long as a OEM one. I saw someone say that they had one that lasted 2 years, but for the price, that's fine. Because it looks just as good, if not better.